as far as the ongoing doctor strike over the NEET PG counselling is concerned. Take a look. Now, amid the ongoing doctors' strike in the national capital, now the Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors are mulling to boycott services in hospitals tomorrow. A final decision on this is yet to be taken, however.
Let me go across to our correspondent Disha Shah, who is joining us live with more updates on this. So, Disha, big announcement there by Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors that they are mulling to boycott services from tomorrow. When can we expect a final word from them?
Well, certainly we have just heard a statement from the Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors saying that how they are in preparations to protest and boycott the medical services, keeping in mind to support the resident doctors that have been protesting in Delhi, and how yesterday after the resident doctors were detained, dragged and beaten up by the police, today this is the statement coming in by the Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors that they are in a preparation to boycott all the medical services in Maharashtra, that's across the state. But when, that is something they haven't really spoken about, because they say a final decision on this regards will be taken today after meeting with the concerned authorities. But at this point in time, this is the statement coming in from the Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors that how even if they plan to protest and boycott all the medical services, that will be tentative and likely from tomorrow morning onwards. So this is the word coming in. As far as the other body is concerned, which is the Indian Medical Association, they have also come out with a statement saying that how they express concern and they are in support of the resident doctors who are protesting in Delhi. But as far as boycotting medical services is concerned, they are not going to do that. They are not going to protest at this point in time. But as far as the resident doctors is concerned in Maharashtra, they say that they are in a big preparation and they will boycott medical services. But when, that is something which will be known by end of the day today.
Right, Disha, thank you so much for joining us for more inputs on this story. In fact, we have more breaking news coming in. Stay with us.
हमारे रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स काम कर रहे थे, बट कल से हमने अपने कोविड एरिया से भी रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स को निकाल दिया। अब वहाँ भी वो काम नहीं करेंगे।
सर, अभी जो कंसल्टेंट्स देख रहे हैं, सफदरजंग में अभी ओपीडी खुला है और कंसल्टेंट्स देख रहे हैं इसमें, तो इसके बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
नहीं, कंसल्टेंट्स देख रहे हैं। अगर आप देखेंगे तो पेशेंट के आप अभी वार्ड में चले जाइए, आपको कोई भी पेशेंट नहीं मिलेगा, कोई भी एडमिट नहीं हो रहा है। ओपीडी में भी इतने पेशेंट्स आपको नहीं दिखेंगे, क्योंकि जो रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स है वो बैकबोन होता है। ऑलमोस्ट आपके 80 to 85% हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम को कंप्राइज करता है। अगर सड़क पे बैठा है तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि किस तरह से पेशेंट केयर इफेक्ट हो रहा होगा।
सर, आखिरी सवाल सर, हर दिन जो मिनिस्ट्री से मिलने की जो कोशिश में जारी हुए हैं,
वो बिल्कुल ही इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है। मिनिस्टर को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है मिनिस्टर साहब को कि उनके रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर पिछले 12 दिन से सड़क पे बैठे हैं और 45,000 रेजिडेंट ये डॉक्टर्स को घर पे बिठा रखा उन्होंने, और वो पता नहीं अस्पताल कैसे चलाएंगे। अगर अभी थर्ड वेव आ जाता है तो शायद वो पुलिस वालों से ट्रीटमेंट कराएंगे मरीजों का, या इंजीनियर से कराएंगे। हो सकता है उनके दिमाग में ऐसा कुछ चल रहा होगा।
And some more breaking news coming in. More doctors are joining in to support the resident doctors' protest in New Delhi. As of now, doctors from Karnataka, Gujarat, Punjab, Chandigarh and Ahmedabad have joined the protest.
Let's tell you in a nutshell as to what is happening, why this agitation by resident doctors is getting bigger with each passing hour. In fact, major health crisis looms over the national capital now as the Federation of Resident Doctors have called for a complete boycott of medical services in 7 big government hospitals in the national capital, alleging brutal police action on their protest against the delay in NEET PG counselling. The move has left patients in a lurch. Patients who were seen stuck in long queues outside government hospitals were asked to return.
Meanwhile, doctors pan-India have extended their support. AIIMS Resident Doctors Association has said that it will be shutting down all the non-emergency services on Wednesday if no adequate response is received from the government within the next 24 hours. In fact, IMA has asked for open apology by the Union Health Minister and urged Prime Minister's intervention to resolve this issue. The doctors from Karnataka, Gujarat, Punjab, Chandigarh have also extended their solidarity.
दूसरा टन जाओ रेफर कर दिया यहाँ से कहीं और भेज दिया है। हाँ यहीं पर इलाज चल रहा है, बाकी अब नहीं चल रहा है। कर दूसरा टन जाओ, दूसरा कहीं जाओ बोल रहे हैं। हाँ यहीं से इलाज चल रहा है, बाकी आज बोल रहे हैं दूसरा टन जाने के लिए।
Meanwhile, Times Network spoke to FODA Secretary Anuj Agarwal on the doctors' strike. He said that the way police manhandled the resident doctors is unacceptable. In fact, he further added that the resident doctors are ready to resume services if government intervenes and resolves the matter.
We were trying to march towards Supreme Court and it was already out in media, and because it was given in our press release 8 days before that. And when we were just saying that if you want to stop us, then we will sit here only. We don't want to create any kind of inconvenience to anyone. But unfortunately, I am clueless what triggered them. It was unprovoked, and at around 3:30, when I turned back, I just saw that policemen, the male police officers, are dragging female resident doctors on the road. They are thrashing them, inappropriately touching them, manhandling them, and they are dragging them by pulling their legs. Then pulling two of the policemen, they are dragging one female resident, and this was completely unbelievable. And for few seconds, I was in shock, and many people were in shock. Then we decided that we should save them also, and at the same time we should record those events also. And then the policemen snatched our phones also, and almost 10 to 15 people have approached us and they have told that the policemen snatched their phones. They have got their EFIR done also, and in this whole course of events, they started hurling abuses on doctors also. One of them was Mr. Pankaj Singh, who is, I think, ACP, and he was very verbally abusive from the very beginning. We tried to avoid him, but because we just don't want to create any issue.
Meanwhile, opposition has slammed the centre over political action on doctors. Congress's General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi has tweeted, and I quote her here, "It is time for the whole country to stand with the doctors and wake up. Narendra Modi ji, who used police force on them and ignored their demands. Doctors need respect, not false PR." Unquote. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena MP Priyanka Chaturvedi has also said that Sarkari, in fact, hypocrisy right now is at its peak.
सर, जो अभी हो रहा है डॉक्टर्स के लिए, हम यहाँ पे पेशेंट की केयर के लिए हैं, और हमारे साथ अगर इन रिटर्न इस तरीके का व्यवहार होएगा तो हम लोग इस तरीके को उचित नहीं मानते हैं सर। आगे भी इस तरीके से शांतिपूर्वक आंदोलन करते रहेंगे, और इसके अलावा सर हम अभी स्टेप बाय स्टेप अगर नहीं सुनते हैं तो हम इसको प्रोग्रेस करेंगे आंदोलन को।
Right, so reactions are pouring in from all those protesting doctors.
In fact, and this.
Right, so reactions are pouring in from all the protesting doctors there, and all of them are alleging brutality by the Delhi police and also saying that we do not want false PR, we want our rights, our demands to be met. In fact, these visuals that you're seeing right now have been tweeted by Priyanka Gandhi, Congress General Secretary, who has also questioned centre over their attitude and how the centre is handling the entire issue. In fact, some breaking news coming in from the Congress camp right now.